Hey guys, how are you all? I hope you all are safe and stay home. I am back again with a new Explaindio give video. So let's start. In this video, I will not explain anything in depth. If any new viewer watching this video, I will recommend please watch my previous all video in Explaindio where I explain all about this. In this video, I try to answer most asked question in comment box from my viewers. They always ask me where from I get my gifts. Answer is some gifts are downloaded from Google and some are made. If I get 100 like and 100 comments from you guys in this video, I will show how I create my gift and tell you about the free software for animation. You guys might wonder why I saying this. I noticed 93% of my viewers are not subscribed. We need your full support for growing our channel. And your comments and likes motivate me to create a wonderful content for you. So my humble request is please subscribe our channel and show your interest. If you guys want to connect with us, please join my new Discord server for new updates and all. Link in the description. If you guys want to know about this software and want easy tutorial, please hit 100 likes and 100 comment as soon as possible. So subscribe and turn on the notification bar for new videos. If you have any question, ask in the comment box. So that's all for this day.